We do a little bit of leverage there. Here it remains more loose. Came out. And from here it detached also. Now we remove the little tab from here. We remove the display. We put the little screw in its place, so that it does not get lost again. We remove the ground connection cables. There it is. We remove the contact probe or contact sensor. Now we remove from the other side of the evaporator. We have 2 more screws. That is one, and the other I am removing here. So we take out those 2 screws. And then we can now remove the evaporator from its place. As you can see, friends, we have the evaporator out, ready for cleaning. And here it remains for us. Here the interior fan remains for us, for its cleaning. To remove the fan, what we have to do is remove these 2 screws. The one through here below. There is the other one. We remove the 2 and then we can release the interior fan blower. We do a simple leverage. Once we take out the screws, now it is going to be possible to remove this plastic. There it came out. It has to be very stuck here. I cut the video and I take it out. Here is the fan with its motor.
Con su motor.
Later, to remove the fan, we take out the screw that is in there, and now it can be removed simply upwards or downwards this fan. And the interior unit remains for us completely disassembled for its cleaning. So now we will proceed to the cleaning. And then we will continue with the outdoor unit.